Wait. So Sarah, what can you do on Tumblr? Oh, hell no! No, what can you do on Tumblr? Come on, no! Tumblr!
You can follow me on Tumblr. We're gonna do some tumbling together. Yeah, just follow me on Tumblr.
Yeah, stalker Mel. I'm not following you.
Twitter sounds like. Dude, really, Twitter.
Yeah.
Play with my Twitter.
What?
Oh, play with my Twitter. Say it. Play with my Twitter machine. Play with my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Oh, no, I said play with my Twitter.
Don't be a stalker.
No, don't. Here's your warning and your public advertisement. Don't get a Twitter. Don't get a Tumblr.
Don't be a stalker.
Don't get a Facebook because it's for stalkers. Facebook is for stalkers. I know, right?
Oh, babe, I'm stalking you. Oh, look at that. That's lovely.
Thank you for.
It's empty. And that boy there. Stalking you. Oh my God, it's a bird. A blue bird.
Follow the bird.
I'm stalking you.